Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the steam valve assembly in your dryer, be sure to unplug the power cord and shut off the cold water supply. Remove the water inlet line from the steam valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Remove the external venting as well. Open the door and use an 11/16" socket or wrench to unthread the nut securing the steam nozzle to the rear bulkhead. Remove the nozzle washer. Now use a 1/4" socket or nut driver to unthread the screw to release the power cord access panel. Unthread the remaining screws securing the rear panel. Pull the rear panel out and up to remove. Disconnect the wire harness from the old steam valve. Use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the mounting screw securing the steam valve bracket. Detach the nozzle, then lift the bracket up and slide it to the right to remove. Install the new steam valve assembly by inserting the bracket into the slot in the bulkhead and sliding it to the left until you can fully seat it. Secure the bracket with the screw. Connect the wire harness to the new valve. Insert the steam nozzle into the bulkhead. From inside the dryer, slide the washer onto the nozzle. Then thread and tighten the nut to secure the nozzle. Reinstall the rear panel by inserting the lower tabs behind the edge of the base. Fully align the panel, then thread and tighten all of the screws. Replace the power cord access panel and secure it with the screw. Reattach the water inlet line to the steam valve. Reattach the external venting to the exhaust outlet. With the repair completed, turn the cold water supply back on, plug the power cord back in, and your dryer should be ready for use.